Welcome to another truck hardware installation tutorial. Today we are installing our Gatorback front mud flap kit on a 2017 Toyota Tacoma. These flaps are a great way to protect and improve the overall look of your truck. And better yet, the Gatorback flaps are incredibly durable and easy to install. Remember, this video is to be used as a companion to the included installation instructions. Let's get started. First, identify and remove the factory screws on the inner fender and rear side of the mudguard, as shown. Remove the factory mudguard and reinstall the rear factory screw. Next, take the provided Z-bracket and install it to the inner hole on the mud flap, as shown, using the supplied bolt and stainless steel washer. Secure it with a stainless washer, lock washer, and nut. Next, if needed, turn the wheel to allow more room for the install. Loosely install the supplied aluminum strip washer and mud flap using 2 stainless screws, 2 stainless washers, and 2 nylon washers. Also, install the Z-bracket to the inner wheel well factory hole using a factory screw, nylon washer, and stainless washer. With a square, make sure the mud flap is level. Carefully tighten all screws and double check that the mud flap is still level. Congratulations, you've just finished installing your Gatorback mud flap kit. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe. Check out the rest of our channel and our website for additional tips, tricks, and installation guides. Thanks for choosing Truck Hardware.